Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 15 of Flylady's 31 baby steps for getting your home and life in order. We'll continue working on our previous habits for our morning and before bed routines. I made sure to list all of these steps down in the description. Today, Flylady wants us to go on her website or in the Flylady's free app so we can read her morning using a testimonial or an Ask Flylady question. This step helps us to understand the Flylady system, and sometimes it's nice to see what others are doing to make the Flylady system work for them. I got this idea from Flylady Diane, which is to set the timer for 15 minutes whenever you go on your computer or on the phone. This way you can take your break to read for 15 minutes, then you have to quickly get off your phone or computer so you don't get distracted by other things you want to do online. In today's Monday Musing, Flylady mentioned that we're like a garden. The weeds are the bad habits, bad thoughts, and not taking care of ourselves. These weeds are really hard to get rid of. They sometimes just keep coming back up, but that's why Flylady mentions that we can start over at any moment. We don't have to wait until the perfect moment to start taking better care of ourselves and our home. I loved Flylady's message about our home being like a garden. Are you ready to cultivate your garden? Click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!